Hi, this is Rachel from Gourmet Shut-In. We are going to do some balsamic and cherry glazed chicken thighs. These are the things you'll need. These are delicious and they sit really well, so if you have a really hectic week, you can just have these chilling in the fridge and just make a really simple reheat dinner. What I like to do is start off with my chicken thighs. I use a little bit of the same seasoning that I use for a chicken confit. I'm just going to season back and forth. And then I'm going to put them in a hot cast iron pan over here. And try to get some nice color on those legs. We're going to wait for those to brown up, and then we're going to saute up our shallots and cherries in there. Lift up your chicken thighs and add your sliced shallots and cherries. Add your chicken stock and bring to a boil. Pop those thighs into the oven for about 35 minutes at 375 degrees. Strain off all of the excess juice and place it in the freezer for about 15 minutes. We're just trying to get that fat to harden up so we can strain it off and use it for cooking later. Add the braising liquid back to your pan and reduce. We're looking for a nice coating of the spoon, also known as a nappe. Add 1 tablespoon of balsamic vinegar. And always make sure you taste your sauces. You can saute up some greens. I like to use mustard with a little bit of garlic, some of that chicken fat, and just let that sweat out a little bit. Add some of the sauce to finish. And season with salt and pepper. We always like to add a little bit of quinoa to our white rice just to give it a little bit more flavor. Hope you guys really like those chicken thighs. Make sure you like and subscribe. We'll see you soon.